Hello, welcome back to Twist Fashion. So today we're going to be making these little twist earrings, or they look like unicorn horns, but in black and white. So all you need is a tiny bit of polymer clay. I've improved the video angle because I had a few complaints on that last time, so I hope the complainers approve of this. So just roll out, well, knead it first actually, make it a bit warmer, and then roll it out. So this is polymer clay. Right, so I've rolled out the white and the black. Now we're just going to twist it. Could also make them into cute little hoops like that. This time, sorry if you can hear some background noise, that's my son playing very loudly. Right, so make it look quite even. And when you're happy with it, I'm actually going to chop off the ends. And then I'm going to cut it in the middle. This one looks a bit more twisted, so I'm just going to twist this one a bit more. And then make them the same length, of course. Right, and then you can either buy these little hooks, but I'm going to just make my own with these tools. So this is a little curling sort of wand for the wire. I've done some other polymer clay tutorials, so please do take a look if you're interested. Mainly I do cinema hat or any kind of fascinator tutorials, but at the moment, because obviously lockdown and things, no one really needs any fascinators, so kind of stopped that for the moment. I'm looking back into clothing design, and you know, lounge wear was very popular. Right, so that's that one. Let's do one more. Then we're going to bake it in the oven. And when that's done, we're going to paint some gloss over them just to finish them off. Squeeze that in there. There we go. Now I'm going to bake them. So these have now cooled down from the oven. They went in for 30 minutes at 130 degrees. Now I'm just going to put some clear nail varnish on them. You can use gloss paint, or some people cure them with resin. I haven't got any resin at the moment, so I'm just going to do one side first, let that dry, and do the other side. Otherwise, just like your nails, you'll get marks on them if you try to lean it on the wet gloss, wet varnish. So I hope you're all okay. In times like this, I do like to do crafts. Just, you know, do something fun, do something that you enjoy. It's very hard to keep motivated at the moment, isn't it? That's one. And once both sides are done, I will put the hooks on. And I think the gloss just adds that nice little touch and makes them shiny and protects them that little bit more. Especially with resin, if you use resin, that will make them even stronger. But they are quite hard. Right, I'm just going to let that dry and then pop the hooks on. Thanks for watching.